Welcome to Tech Velocity. Today, we have something exciting lined up: the top 10 fastest motorcycles in the world. These incredible machines not only break speed barriers but also showcase the pinnacle of two-wheel engineering. From track monsters to street legends, we're counting down the best of the best. Number 10, Yamaha YZF-R1M. Top speed: 191 miles per hour, 307 kilometers per hour. Yamaha has made its mark in the world of track-focused superbikes with the R1M. It's no surprise that this motorcycle has been met with such a positive response from riders worldwide. The R1M's engine has been upgraded over the years but retains Yamaha's signature crossplane crankshaft technology, which ensures smooth and exhilarating power delivery. This bike is a beast on the track but also offers excellent versatility for street use. The electronics package is top-notch, including ride-by-wire throttle control, real-time monitoring of external conditions, and instant adjustments to the dynamics, ensuring a seamless and responsive ride. Additionally, Yamaha's inclusion of a quick shifter, Öhlins electronically adjustable dampers, and multiple riding modes helps riders tame the R1M's aggressive power. The aerodynamics of the bodywork allow the bike to slice through the air effortlessly, letting the rider focus on the road without worrying about wind resistance. Number 9, Suzuki Hayabusa. Top speed: 194 miles per hour, 312 kilometers per hour. The Suzuki Hayabusa made history when it claimed the title of the world's fastest production motorcycle in 1999. It wasn't just a milestone for Suzuki, it was a defining moment in motorcycle history. The Hayabusa name became synonymous with extreme speed, and even now, it stands as a benchmark for high-speed motorcycles. The 2020 Hayabusa comes with a 1,340cc, four-cylinder engine, equipped with advanced electronic fuel injection and dual-ram air intakes to maximize its power. While the bike is known for its top-end speed, Suzuki has made sure it remains a comfortable and practical ride. It handles surprisingly well on tight corners and serves as a reliable touring machine for long journeys. Thanks to Suzuki's drive mode selector, riders can adjust the power delivery to suit the road conditions, making the Hayabusa an incredibly adaptable machine. Number 8, Aprilia RSV41100 Factory. Top speed: 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. Aprilia's RSV41100 Factory is a serious contender in the superbike world, delivering outstanding performance across the board. The bike has undergone several updates, refining its aerodynamics and overall design to compete with other top-tier motorcycles. The revised bodywork, with integrated winglets and a larger windscreen, boosts its stability, especially during high-speed runs on the track. Powered by a 1078cc V4 engine, it generates a massive 217 horsepower, peaking at 13,000 revolutions per minute. Despite these incredible performance numbers, the RSV41100 Factory is also environmentally conscious, having been tuned to meet Euro 5 emissions standards without compromising on sound or power delivery. Additionally, the semi-active Öhlins suspension system gives riders the flexibility to change riding modes at the touch of a button, adapting to different conditions with ease. Bell mid-video reminder. Before we continue with the rest of our countdown, if you're loving the speed, engineering, and thrilling performance of these bikes, don't forget to hit subscribe to Tech Velocity. We're constantly bringing you the best in tech, speed, and history, and you won't want to miss out on what we have coming next. Also, like the video and leave a comment telling us which of these superbikes you think reigns supreme. Number 7, BMW S1000RR. Top speed: 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. The BMW S1000RR is the epitome of German engineering excellence. It's built for the experienced rider, designed to push the boundaries of superbike technology. The 999cc inline-4 engine generates 205 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque, which translates into incredible acceleration and top-end speed. BM's revolutionary shift cam technology enhances performance by dynamically adjusting the intake valve timing and lift based on engine speed. This means the S1000RR offers consistent and optimized power delivery across the entire rev range, making it a joy to ride whether you're on the street or on the track. Number 6. Ducati Panigale V4R. Top speed: 204 miles per hour, 329 kilometers per hour. The Ducati Panigale V4R is the ultimate road legal superbike, designed for serious riders who demand uncompromising performance. The R in its name stands for racing, and it certainly lives up to that moniker. With a 234 horsepower engine and a dry weight of just 165 kilograms, 363 pounds, the V4R has an impressive power-to-weight ratio that enhances its agility and handling. The bike's aerodynamics and electronic systems are carefully calibrated to provide exceptional stability, even at high speeds. Ducati's attention to detail ensures the V4R's exhaust note remains glorious, while still meeting stringent emissions standards. The V4R's lightweight frame and high-performance suspension make it one of the most track-ready superbikes you can buy today. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R. Top speed: 208 miles per hour, 335 kilometers per hour. Kawasaki's Ninja ZX14R is an absolute powerhouse, powered by a massive 1441cc inline-4 engine. This monster of a bike delivers 208 horsepower and 113 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring a ride that's as thrilling as it is fast. The ZX14R features Kawasaki's signature monocoque frame design, where the bike's frame is integrated into the support structure, providing extra stability at high speeds. With advanced traction control, ABS, and 2 selectable power modes, the ZX14R offers riders a safe yet powerful experience. Its Brembo brakes and slipper clutch ensure maximum control, whether you're pushing it on the highway or tackling twisty roads. Number 4. Honda CBR1000RRR Fireblade SP. Top speed: 211 mph, 341 km per hour. Honda's Fireblade SP is one of the most iconic and high-performance superbikes ever created. Inspired by Honda's MotoGP expertise, this bike is a perfect blend of track-focused performance and road-friendly handling. The 214 horsepower inline-4 engine delivers an exhilarating experience, while the bike's meticulously engineered chassis and suspension ensure it handles like a dream at high speeds. The Fireblade SP features a lightweight titanium exhaust that not only sheds weight but also accentuates its aggressive track-ready design. The exclusive carbon fiber details and HRC tri-color livery make the Fireblade SP a true standout on both the track and the street. Number 3. Lightning LS 218. Top speed: 218 miles per hour, 351 kilometers per hour. The Lightning LS 218 breaks away from tradition by being the world's fastest electric motorcycle. It might not have the roar of a gasoline-powered engine, but its performance is nothing short of remarkable. With an electric motor producing 200 horsepower and 168 pound-feet of torque, the LS 218 delivers instant acceleration that rivals the best gas-powered bikes. It's powered entirely by batteries, making it an eco-friendly choice for speed enthusiasts. The sleek design and cutting-edge technology prove that electric motorcycles are no longer just a novelty, they're the future of high-speed performance. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Top speed: 227 miles per hour, 365 kilometers per hour. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a revolutionary bike in every sense of the word. It's powered by a 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine that produces 228 horsepower and tremendous torque. This power, combined with its aerodynamic design, makes the H2 a serious contender in the hypersport motorcycle class. The H2's appearance alone is enough to turn heads, with its futuristic styling and supercharged engine that proudly displays its supercharged emblem. This bike's performance and aggressive look make it one of the most exciting motorcycles to ride. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Top speed: 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is in a league of its own. As a track-only machine, it's the fastest, most powerful motorcycle Kawasaki has ever produced. With a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine capable of delivering up to 310 horsepower, the H2R is truly in a class of its own. It holds the unofficial top speed record for a stock motorcycle, reaching speeds of 249 miles per hour. It's the most extreme expression of motorcycle engineering, designed purely for performance, with an impeccable power-to-weight ratio and cutting-edge aerodynamics. The H2R sets a new standard for hyper-sport bikes, pushing the limits of what's possible on two wheels. And there you have it, the fastest, most insane motorcycles in the world. Each of these bikes represents the very best in engineering, speed, and performance. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe to Tech Velocity, and let us know in the comments which of these incredible machines you think is the ultimate speedster. Until next time, keep riding, keep pushing the limits, and stay fast.